Alright guys, super pumped to show you Cortex ID. So here's how Cortex ID turns me into a daily content machine. You don't need to film every day. The content still feels like you. It's a real posting system, not just a video generator. So most people know they should post daily, right? But they don't have the time to script, film, edit and publish. Well, Cortex ID lets you set up your identity once, generate videos in your face and voice, and even automate the posting. So this is the dashboard. This is where you can see all jobs that are being created, queued up to go out for posting. So this is my example one here. You can see how many videos you've created, how many posts you've made, and how many views you've got in total. Now let's go and create an identity. A replica of you, basically a cloned version. So let me show you how to actually create one. So I'm going to go up to add identity. Now this is where you can enter your information for your business. This is why the videos don't feel generic. Cortex knows who you are, who you help, and how you should sound. This is where you can add your knowledge base, so you can actually teach the AI what you do in your business. So you can either type up text and click save, or easier, upload PDF files or text files about your business. So I'm going to upload the KlipZi user guide so the AI knows exactly what KlipZi is and what it can do. Now this is where we can clone your voice, so you can choose to either upload an audio file, which is like 1 to 2 minutes, maybe you've recorded on your phone, or you can actually record it on the app here by just hitting start recording, and you can record your voice. But for this video I'm going to upload a voice I already have, and this is just my voice stripped out of a YouTube video. And this is where you can upload a photo of yourself, make sure it's nice and clear and it looks similar to this, so it can clone you. And just approve that you're okay with your image being digitally created, and Cortex ID will get to work. It's now going to clone your image and clone your voice, and within a few minutes you'll have your AI identity ready. Now at this point you are free to skip to the dashboard and create videos, but I'm just going to wait and let this render, and it will actually create a sample video for you so you can see what it looks like. If you run multiple brands or clients, each identity has its own voice, avatar, knowledge and context.
Identity is ready. Let's create something amazing.
And then just hit let's go. So pretty cool stuff. So I've got my identity ready so I can create a video. Okay, so as you can see, as this is a new identity, obviously it's got no stats, and at any point I can click into identity and switch to a new one to set as current, but for now we'll keep this one. If we go to knowledge, at any point you can upload more text or documents about your business to really enrich the AI, so it's got a lot of info to talk about for you. Templates is where you can create your own templates so that the scripts can conform to what you want to say. There's some system templates in here already, so they can be controversial or list type videos, story driven, product launch. So there's ones in here already, and at any point you can create your own templates and save them to the system. Also want to show you that at any point you can upgrade for a more realistic avatar. If you add a video of yourself, maybe a 1 to 2 minute video, then the avatar really looks like your real self. So let's create a video. So I'm just going to hit create video. I'm going to have full avatar, and at this point you can either get the AI to generate the script for you, or if you've got a script already you can just type that in. I'm going to get the AI to do it, and I'm going to go for a product launch, and the topic is going to be Cortex ID coming soon from KlipZi.com, and I'm going to hit create a video. Now the AI operator will kick in and start to create the video for you. You'll get actual updates here of what's being done. You'll get a preview of the script if you didn't write it yourself. And we'll let that generate. So as you can see, that video is in the Dead Cool Apps current identity, and that is currently generating. So we'll let that generate, and then I'll come back and show you it. But basically at that point you can then choose to download it and post it yourself, or you can set it up to auto post via Autopilot. And it's done. So we'll click into this and have a look at the video.
I can't believe no one built this sooner. Ever feel overwhelmed by creating standout video content? Meet Cortex ID, coming soon from KlipZi.com. It analyzes your content strategy and optimizes for success effortlessly. Want to be the first to try it? Follow for more AI tips. Link in bio.
Not bad. Now once the video is ready, I can obviously download that and post that, or I can connect it to Autopilot. So let me show you Autopilot that I have already connected up on a different identity. Now this is my Cortex ID identity, which I have videos posting out daily on everything about Cortex identity. So if I go to my Autopilot, you can see I've got it set up to 2 posts per day, 9 in the morning and 6 at night. You can see some views here that I've got over the past couple of days, and also I have it with set and forget. So there's a few different options. You can either have it so every time you create a video it goes into your Autopilot queue and then goes out by itself, or if you want to have it set and forget, you can literally enter a prompt here, tell it what kind of videos you want, flick this switch, and it will create and post videos of your AI avatar all by itself. This is where Cortex ID stops being a tool and starts becoming a system. You can start manually, then move into full automation when you trust the output. And here's the stats page. Once you've got Autopilot connected up, you can literally view all your stats across all different social media, and you can see what's performing well, what maybe didn't, and then you can obviously use Ask Cortex ID because it knows all your numbers, it knows all your views, it knows all about your business. You can literally ask the AI here, you know, what video I should do next, and it will give you ideas. It's not just generating content, it's showing you what's working so you can make better content next. Views, likes, shares, best performers. AI can help decide what to post next. And there's also a full guide that you can read at your leisure showing you exactly how to get this set up and what to do. So Cortex ID is free to start. Check it out and let me know what you think.